Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj welcomes you all to an educational video for class 2. Subject General Knowledge. Topic Personal Hygiene. Hello children, how are you all? Fine and safe at home? Nice to see you all again in my GK class. Children, today's topic is very important. It is about personal hygiene. You know children, personal hygiene is how you keep and take care of your body. This practice includes bathing, brushing your teeth, washing your hands, keeping your body parts clean, and many more activities. In everyday's life, children, we come in contact with many types of germs and viruses, and these outside germs and viruses can linger on our body and can make us ill and give us severe diseases. They can make us sick. Now, personal hygiene, when we are keeping ourselves in this routine or habit, this is the best way to keep ourselves away from these germs and diseases. Now there are many ways in how we can keep ourselves fit and fine. What are these personal hygiene habits? Let us know about that. Children, the first habit in personal hygiene is brushing our teeth. We should always brush our teeth twice a day and rinse our mouth properly after every meal. We should always try to rinse our mouth with water after eating anything. And children, if we are making a point of brushing our teeth after every meal, then we are stopping the creation of the germs that are inside our mouth. So, the first point is brushing our teeth. Then, the second is washing your hands. Children, wash your hands properly very often nowadays, and you make sure that you clean all the sides or insides of the fingers and wash your hands with clean water and soap. Use proper medicated soap for cleaning your hands. And washing your hands always helps you to stay safe, because we use our hands for various purposes. We touch our face, we touch our mouth, we touch our body parts. So if we are washing our hands and our hands are sanitized using a sanitizer, then we will be always safe. The next is bathing. Children, take bath regularly with fresh water. We should always take special care to clean our whole body parts properly. Like use medicated soap, use shampoo for the hair, and clean all the body parts like the armpits, the elbow, inside of the elbows, the knee folds, the fingers, the neck portion, the back. Every part of the body should be properly cleaned with the help of the soap and water. Next is a very important thing, which is cutting of our nails. Every now and then we should see that our nails are properly trimmed, because if dirt gets inside our nails, it will reach inside our body through the mouth and we will get sick. So cleaning of the nails and cutting down of the nails is very important. Then children, we should always cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. And these days, it is in this COVID-19, we have to wear the mask regularly. Always there is an instruction from the doctors that please always wear mask, because wearing a mask prevents you from getting the diseases or transmitting the disease to others also. Now children, with all these, another important is wearing clean clothes. If we are properly maintaining the hygiene habit, like brushing our teeth, washing our hands, taking proper bathing, then covering our mouth, cutting your nails, then we should also have the habit of wearing clean clothes, washed clothes with proper detergent, and wear the clean clothes. Children, one very important thing is that whenever we are wearing the clean clothes, we should always make sure that when they are washed, they should be always dried in the sun, because in the sun the germs of the clothes that are there will all die out. So these are the following things we should always follow, that is to make ourselves fit and fine and be in a proper hygiene. Our personal hygiene habits should be maintained, and we should always follow it very strictly. So that is all for children today's class. I think you have well understood what are the personal hygiene habits, and you will make them in your day-to-day life. You will use and try to follow these. So that's all. Stay safe, stay well. Thank you.